All right, so we got all the pins nice and tight using the proper tools. Don't use improper tools. I learned that the hard way when I was doing my headlights. Just get yourself one of these in the kit that like comes with it. It's really cheap off of Amazon. All of them are pinned besides the negative. This one I'm probably gonna have to run to AutoZone and buy like that little connector that crimps onto the end and has like a little loop for a screw to go into. But besides that, they're all on. He said, the seller said that yellow and green go into pins 8 and 10 or 9 and 10. And then this one, I'm not sure where this one goes. He didn't say where this goes. So I will have to ask him where the red one goes. But yeah, pretty easy and simple. I got the button that lights up around it, and the sport lights up as well. I didn't want just the ring. I wanted the sport to also light up. And then you see this is where you put underneath once you drill into that little plastic piece, so that way it's nice and secured. And then they also give you a little O-ring so that way no moisture gets through it. So you put it right here. So it should come out pretty well. I'm gonna find out exactly where the red one goes, and I know where the black one goes. So I'm just waiting on the seller's response, but it came out pretty good. See if it'll focus on that. Don't be too rough with these, because then you'll just break the wire, and they only send you 3 of these, so you got to make sure you do it right. And if you're new at this, maybe just order some more of these. You can find OEM pins off of anywhere.
Un día yo voy a ser presidente de la República de Colombia. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping by enemies, no they kids. O aceptar las consecuencias. Plata o plomo. My enemies, no they kids. So you catch don't know. Ask me to blast, no need to ask, cause I'm mashing. Peeping the latest fashion, copycats and plastics. Get me the flash, my adversary shifting caskets. Murdered them bastards, witness the past got bombastic. Now that they free me, no one can see me. I completely eradicated my competition, Father forgive me. Symbol of troops, prepare my loops for combustion. Rushing the motherfuckers, the deadliest nigga bustin'. How can they touch me when they lost in thought? On death row, we lock shit down across the board. Now flash and watch me getting that ass like a bikini. Lyrically legendary, some niggas that never see me completely defeat me. Could never happen whether rapping or scrapping. Niggas get smashed on they motherfucking back. Hard to kill and even harder to stop. Watch Kane and Pop drop the show shot. Tell a motherfucker you don't wanna die, and I don't wanna kill you. Keep my name out your mouth. For a nigga have to chill you, all my enemy brother. For the shit that they did, don't make me murder you, nigga. If my enemies love their kids, my only fear of death. Can you hear me? It's coming back. Had enough of this bullshit world, so none of that. I felt no remorse for all the shit that we did. Niggas dying here to silence. If my enemies love their kids, don't make me murder you, nigga. If my enemies love their kids, so you catch don't know.
So motherfuckers gotta die. I'm an evil motherfucker ready to tear shit up. I'ma put these things on you and never let
my enemies love their kids, so you catch don't know. Stepping. If my enemies love their kids, don't make me murder you, nigga. If my enemies love their kids,
shut the fuck up, nigga, cause you ain't seen shit. I'm about to take this blade and straight up grip. A hole in the neck of the devil and drink his blood, allowing my soil to be polluted by his evil root. And now I'm mad, insane, red as rose is a strain when I search for my heartbeat. So thumpity thump when my pump in my verse. False alarms and no harm that will come into the E. But now I'm down to hour 23. Time is moving real fast and not that slow. I thought I had an hour, but it's seconds left to go. I run into the office, no more time is left, so I dive into the doctor with a bomb to my fuck and plant my seeds, leaving kids in this world like me. The lunatic psycho motherfucker easy.
Running after me, telling them high. When they ask why, I'm tripping off the top of my drop. Cause you know why, keep dipping on my block. They sell rocks and box with frail cops. If not, we bust shots from blocks. Fuck cops, my only fear of death. Can you hear me? It's coming back. Had enough of this bullshit world, so none of that. I felt no remorse for all the shit that we did. Niggas dying here to silence. If my enemies love
so
their kids,
motherfuckers gotta die. I'm an evil motherfucker ready to tear shit up. I'ma put these things on you and never let up.
So you catch don't know. My feet spread.
Holy crap, that was a complete and utter BS of like 20 to 25 minutes just trying to route the damn wire underneath here, underneath the ashtray, and out here to the back. I don't have any flexible tools to take off these 2 bolts. I could have just taken out the ashtray. Now, if you do, it's going to save you a whole lot of time. I even tried taking this off, but it didn't want to budge. So I did a whole lot of work than, you know, if I had a flexible tool. But besides that, I showed you guys in the last clips, I tested taped it all just because I wanted it to look clean. I left the ground out so that way we could put it here when it is all said and done right there. I am going to start attaching everything that I can attach back together. I do have to leave the green wire, which is, so I'm making this video because the guy who has like the most viewed one and the one that always pops up, his first one only has 2 wires and his second one has different colors. So now if you're like me and you order this off of a certain seller and you get black, red, yellow, and green, black, of course, your ground, red is your positive, yellow and green both go into pins 8 and 10. It doesn't matter which ones. Just make sure that yellow and green are going into 8 and 10. Then you can put your positive, your red, into slot 9 in this guy. Again, green and yellow can go in 8 or 10. Make sure those two goes in 8 and 10. Red goes to 9. And then that's for your power. And then for the light on the actual button, that's what's going to be your ground. And we're going to put that here. And I made sure it all worked already. I just messed up and broke the damn pin when I was taking it out. So I got to wait for tomorrow for a new pin to come in. And then I'll be able to take it out for a test drive after work. But I'm going to go ahead and tidy all this stuff back up and put as much as I can back together. So got it all hooked on. This is what the ground's going to look like. I made sure to use the proper little pin. These wires are 22 AWG, so I used the one that is rated for 16 through 22. I almost used the blue one, which was 16 through 14, so make sure you use the right one or you're going to short circuit something, or it's not going to be enough power or something. You know, I don't want nothing else to go wrong, so make sure you use the right ones. And then when you are putting it in, this is where I put mine. I knew it was going to clear here, but I also don't want the wire to get caught anything here. So I am going to, tomorrow when everything's done, give it enough slack so that way the wire can sit back here, and then on the side of here, push it down here where this harness is already going, just so that way we know nothing is going to get in the way of the shifter. But yeah, that is what it's looking like so far. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, and then I kind of forgot about it too for a while. And I was like, you know what? The price dropped on these pretty significantly, so let me go ahead and cop it. But yeah, it looks awesome, man. Super excited. I got the one that lights up the word and the little rings. That's going to be badass at night when all these other lights, like on here, are on and everything like that. But yeah, now I got to wait till tomorrow because I broke the damn pin. That sucks.
So you cats don't know. Stepping. If my enemies love their kids, don't make me murder you, nigga. If my enemies love their kids. See the shooters, see the money in the bag, see the D's in the unmarked. Want a nigga ass, E60 on the plate when niggas bag.
Alrighty, got my pin in. And it works. So I originally thought that it stays on the color the whole time. But it's okay. It actually, you know, it's not too bad. If when it's off, so it blends in, but when it's on, it's popping out at you. And I don't know if that has to do with maybe my ground isn't the best, but it doesn't light up like it doesn't. It's not awesome. You know, it's not full. I think maybe it's just the placement of the bulb, but hey, so it's off. Nothing there, right? Click it on. Boom. Okay, so ignore all this, right? Brand new steering wheel. So it's causing airbag light to go on. That goes away when you plug in your seatbelt. Now that has to do with my SCL. I put in a new one. I did the whole little turning left and right, all that stuff. Doesn't work for me. So I'm waiting for my what did I just buy? The Beamer code or whatever. I'm waiting for the MHD little OB2 that comes from Burger Tuning, so that way I can turn that off myself. But yeah, those lights are easy. I've already replaced all that, but it works. The car hasn't started in like 2 days, so I don't want to rev it yet. I need it to warm up, but it's working. That's a huge difference. So slow. That actually makes a fucking difference.
Shut up.
I
No
swear to
way.
God, it's heavy. You know my car. My car is not heavy. Try it with your hand.
Oh shit.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
That little knocking's not my car.
No.
Whoa. Whoa. That's smooth. Whoa. I mean, it's still slow, but
I
it
want to
definitely,
close your window.
it definitely shifts smoother, red lines more. That something stinks.
Is that us?
Yeah. My transmission yelling, help! I can burn rubber. I can burn rubber.
Good.
I think it makes a difference, but I mean, my car's a fucking boat, so. But it makes it fun. Like the fact that I can peel now is fun. And
Well, there's a lot of people.
yeah, there's a lot of people. See, now that's fast. That's what I'm talking about. That's
Maybe I just
instant.
needed to warm up.
That's instant.
And now we're
We're
slow.
stuck in traffic.
But we got some McDonald's, guys. We got the 40-piece bundle meal.
We'll have food for tomorrow.
Yum, yum, yum. They're all watching me.
Damn, that bitch is quick. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Alright. Chill. It made it a little faster, a tiny bit faster. Holy shit. That's actually insane.
Scrape the plate, my nigga. Everything add up, I'm hungry. Like I've been missing a meal. Back writing like I need me a deal. I show you still.